Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Murat, and today I want to talk with you about 5 steps what you should do in this recession or whatever. If it's not recession, it's good, but when it will be recession or whatever in your life, maybe you can change your kind of habits. And I tried to look in YouTube some videos about what we should do in recession because it's crisis. If it's crisis now, it's global. Most of it is how you need to invest, how to invest in stock, what you need to buy, what kind of stock, when you can get profit, and a lot of this kind of stuff. And I try to think maybe like what the regular person should do, like kind of me. I don't have extra money to buy stock, so I don't need to invest. I'm thinking about my life now. Maybe I don't have savings. I have debt. I have debt in my credit card. I have auto loan. Maybe you pay rent or you pay mortgage. And this is a lot of stuff. And how to cut your expenses? Maybe cut a little bit another way, where you can get some money when you can keep save that money. If will have still your job, maybe you'll cut your hours or whatever, maybe you'll find another one, but you can keep save that money. If you don't have that savings, you can start build up from today, and it will help you in any way. So first step, in my opinion, everything will be in my opinion. Like first step, what I can see and on the streets everywhere, like people eating when I work in my job, eating the snacks like chips, chocolate. They buying coffee in Starbucks, buying coffee in Dunkin' Donuts. Even before I work in dealership we had coffee machine. Yeah, coffee is not so good, maybe like in Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts, but who knows? But people buying their like lemonades, whatever, what kind of stuff from Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, or another coffee shops. Also, they're buying the like chips. They have vending machine or like vending machine, yeah, there. And I don't want to hit the small business. Yeah, this is their business, but and sometimes you should think about yourself. And for example, I took if you buying one time in 2 days, like whatever you will buy one time, like in 2 days you can buy one cup of coffee, one like cup of lemonade, you can buy chips, cookies, whatever, what kind of. And so I took that thing and. Yeah, it took like in 1 day you will spend around $4, $4. Yes, because like cup of coffee in Starbucks costs like $4 with tax. Maybe it will be, yeah, just regular coffee. If a cappuccino latte will be higher, lemonade will be higher, everything. So I just took a $4. So in a week it will be around $10 to $12 in 1 week when you spend for these expenses. In 1 year we have around 52 weeks. So total in 1 year you're spending for these snacks if you will do like one time in a week, because some people they buying every day. So you will spend around $500 to $600 a year. So it will take around $600. So remember, about $600. It's like first step. If you're cutting the expenses a year, you can say, "Oh, it's not a lot," but I will count everything, and you will see that numbers. So second one, it's important to about subscription. Because you need to check and you need to cut not necessary subscriptions. I'm not telling about, for example, I'm using iCloud storage for I think 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte, but whatever what they give for $10. I cannot cut it because I connect my account, my wife's, my mom's account, like to that iCloud storage. When I was sharing and we all information, all photo, video, some documents, everything from my computer is going to there from my important things. So I cannot cut it. I'm not talking about this, but also a lot of people have Netflix, HBO, Hulu, whatever, like Amazon videos. Okay, you have Amazon Prime. I'm not talking about Amazon Prime because sometimes you can get in discount. You can you can listen music, not everything, but some of watch videos. If you go into Whole Foods, it will give you some discount, and if you buy from Amazon some stuff, it will you cut expenses for shipment. Sometimes you need to pay if you don't have Amazon Prime. I'm talking about that. But for example, have a lot of stuff when people don't need. Sometimes in apps in a phone, like have different apps. When you like sign in, you wanna use that, like edit a photo, something like that. You can choose like trial for 30 days. After that you need to pay like 3 4 $1, whatever. And some people they do it. I think so they will do it even they don't know, because my mom they do it. Oh, like she download that app and using, and oh, it's okay, I'm using this app, but I seen like from my account money is going on. Why, what's going on? Like three or like $2 or $3 $4 they cutting. Like I don't know what is it. I start to find what account. I wrote to Apple Store and why you withdraw this money, because I'm looking for my account every time, like what transactions. But some people they don't look because I have a lot of transactions. It's so messy. They're working. They don't have time like that. So in this particular like thing, I took around, for example, would take $30 a month. If we will cut like Netflix costs about 12 or $4, but when I had T-Mobile, they gave me like for free, kind of free, but now Netflix every time sending to me, come back and you'll pay like $8 to $9. So total would take like $30. You keep safe. Because of the subscription, a year will be around 360 a year. So this kind of a good amount. So third one, it will be using at home your internet. A lot of internet companies like providers they give into, okay, take internet and with TV. Internet plus TV will cost you around like 60 70 80 90 $100 or whatever. So you should downgrade. You should to cut that TV, because do you need this TV? Maybe yeah, you're watching news, you're doing some stuff, your TV shows. No, so I think you don't need, because all news, everything you can find in internet if you have your laptop or your phone, whatever. Same about subscription. Some people subscribe to like New York Times, whatever, a lot of that stuff. So cut it. You can find some information if you need it. I tell you, if you're a finance guy or you're doing like some stuff where you need that news, you need that all information, yeah, you probably cannot cut it. But if you're just a regular person, you don't care, but you like to read, like to know everything what happened in the world, so yeah, you don't need, so you should to cut it. So, and with internet, you should to cut it TV. And like for internet, like I know, like I have Xfinity's, I don't like it actually. But they have like options like 40 50 60 $70 for internet, and with TV like I think 50 60 70 80 90, I don't know. So you can downgrade for the lowest one, because like in Xfinity you're paying like I think $40, it's like 25 megabyte of speed, so it will be enough for you. Like maybe yeah, it's not so perfect would be the video, the quality, but downgrade. For example, I took this one. If you will downgrade around, if you're paying now $80 with TV, something like that, maybe you're paying more, because I saw like with AT&T or another one it was like $110, like oh no. So I took like $80. If you downgrade for just internet, like for $50, so we take $30 here, so 360. But probably can be more, it probably can be much higher. So we took $30 a year will be 360. So next one is find a more affordable carrier. So like I know like Verizon, AT&T, one of the best coverage. And like first is Verizon or AT&T. They're competing with each other. Like third one will be T-Mobile, fourth will be Sprint, and have a lot of small companies who taking that AT&T or Verizon, like maybe Verizon, maybe T-Mobile, the like network, and providing the cheaper plans. But I don't talk about that small one. We'll talk about hugely this for company. For example, like I'm using Verizon now. Before I had T-Mobile, and now I'm regret that I switched to Verizon because I thought Verizon would be much better, but no, not so better. T-Mobile it's okay, but I paid for T-Mobile $140 for 4 lines. With Verizon now I'm paying 140 with 4 lines, 164, 165 with tax. So it's too much. You should find that career that like T-Mobile is good in your area, or which kind of AT&T, Verizon. Should to look the coverage map and try to find a little bit cheaper and better for you. And also, if you don't be alone in your plan, because I heard one person, my coworker, and asked him, what curry do you use? And he told, I'm using like AT&T, and T, and how much are you paying? Like 80 or 90 bucks for 1 line. So try to join for you find your friends. Try to join to their plan with whom you can share, because like he paying 80 bucks for his career, but he can pay like 40 bucks, because it's for phones in AT&T now they're giving about 35 or $40 per line if you have four lines in your plan. So if you can join to someone line, it will be like you will be fifth, so you'll pay that 40 bucks. Like you will keep say 40 bucks a month, so it's like good amount of money. So in this situation, I will take around like, okay, let's take just 20. If you will find cheaper career, cheaper, like for example with Verizon, T-Mobile, whatever, you can pay like Metro PCS or whatever. You can keep safe around 20 or 30 bucks. So we'll take the minimum like 20 bucks a year. It will be like 240 bucks. So another one, insurance. Find cheaper insurance for your car, for your rent insurance. If you like have a car insurance in one company, rent insurance in another one, maybe you're doing another kind of insurance, maybe life insurance, I don't know. So find the best one will work for you. Try to find the broker or like insurance agent. Try not to talk only with one or two. Find 3 4 5 6 7. Try apply online, get the quote, and find the best one for you. If you can keep safe, just even will think around a year, you will keep safe like 200 bucks, like 100 bucks in a half year for your car insurance, with something like rent insurance. If you will do in one company everything, sometimes they give you more discounts and you can win in this game. You buy rent insurance, even you don't need, you taking rent or whatever. If you're renting, for example, your rent insurance will cost you 10 15 bucks, but you can downgrade your car insurance for 50 or 60 70 bucks. So you will win this game. You pay more like 20 bucks, but you will downgrade your car insurance for 50 bucks, so you will win 30 bucks. So in this situation, I just count around let's take 200 bucks. Yeah. So if you will take these 5 steps, if you will do, for example, that numbers, if you remember, so we'll count the like 600 about snacks, chips, coffee, around 350 360 about your subscriptions I'm taking a year. Downgrade your internet, your like cut your TV channel, something like that. It will cost for you around 360 a year. Uh, Find more affordable like career, like T-Mobile, Verizon, whatever what you want, in what your particular city you have in your town, whatever in your metro area. So you will get around 240 bucks a year. Yeah, for insurance, you will get 200. Total, it will be around $1,750 a year. For this money, if we will divide for 12 months, around $145. For $145, what you can do, you can pay your debt for your credit card. For example, if you didn't pay, you can pay the 145, or you can put your savings. After 1 year, you will have like 1,700 bucks with APR, with interest rate, but now it's not so good. Yeah, all is going down because Federal Reserve they downgrade percent, so you won't get a lot of money. I think now it's 0.26, 0.30. But whatever, don't think about that. Think about that. You can keep safe like 1,700 bucks. I think it can be more, it can be less. I think most of people will be more than this amount. For this money, you easily can pay your rent if you depends where you're living 1 month, or you can buy food, you can do whatever, you can go to travel, or you just keep save money every year. You can save 1,700, or maybe you can do it more. Let's do it more. 1,700 1 year, second year, third year. Now the recession, like it's upside down. A recession is coming like around 10 years. We can talk. And now the recession, when we're going up in 10 years, if you will keep save 1,700, if you will do it now, if you could keep save 1,700, after 10 years you will have around 17,000, maybe 20,000. And if you will get that recession, you won't care. You're preparing. You have money for your life, for easy to live. Like you can pay rent, you can pay mortgage, and it will be not so stressful for you. Think about this, and next video will be another 5 like steps what you should do to prepare for this recession and keep save your money and leave it in your pocket. Thank you for watching me. If this video will be helpful for you, please push the like button. It will help to YouTube algorithm to push this video to my channel too, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on ring. I will try to post more videos as I can, and it will be in different topics. I hope everything will be good. Be safe and good luck.